Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is a knitting stitch tutorial, and the stitch I have for you today is the 2x2 rib with eyelet, also known as the perforated 2x2 rib. There's multiple different variations, but I'm going to show you this one today. So your cast on is in multiples of 6 plus 1. And I have completed 5 total repeats of the repeating pattern, which is 4 repeating rows. So go ahead and cast on in multiples of 6. I have, for instance, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 multiples of 6 plus 1. All right. Once you have those cast on, we're going to begin, and this you could use either way. So this is the knitted appearance side, and this is the purl appearance side. The difference is your eyelet section, the section in between these ribs, is actually below these ribs, these knitted ribs, on the purl side. When you turn it over, it's the opposite, because you only have one knit row in between, and you have 2 on that side, and you have 1 on this side. In between, it causes them to stand up more instead of being distended behind. All right, so we're going to start, and this is starting on the purl side. So I'm not going to say right side, wrong side, because you can do this any way you want. We're going to start by purling our very first stitch. And then we're going to begin our repeat. Knit 1, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1. And that is your repeat to the end. So again, knit 1, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over, knit 1, and purl 1. You can go ahead and complete the rest of your row, and I'll meet up with you for repeating row 2. Repeating row 2, your repeat is as followed. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. Again, your repeat is knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. Continue that repeat to the end of your row. I'll meet up with you for repeating row 3. Repeating row 3 is purl 1. Now we begin our repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. Your repeat again is knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. Continue that to the end of your row, and I'll meet up with you for repeating row 4. Repeating row 4 is the same as row 2. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. So again, your repeat is knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. You're going to continue that to the end of your row for repeating row 4. You will continue to repeat rows 1 through 4 to continue your pattern. Again, this is the perforated 2x2 rib, also known as 2x2 rib with eyelets. This is a very fun and somewhat lacy pattern. I think this would be great for all kinds of things. Different types of garments it would be beautiful for. But you let me know down in the comments what you think you would use this for. All right, everyone. So that's it for the knitting portion of this channel today. Please check out all of the rest of the playlist because I do have crochet, spinning, weaving, needle tatting, also woodworking and lamp working, all kinds of multiple different things, plus my own patterns. And I would love to see you join for our spin and chat, where I spin yarn and we chit chat while I live stream. Currently, we are Tuesday evenings at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, everyone, that is it for me today. Be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.